Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So we are back to our database, and today I'm going to teach you how to deal with null values. I'm going to this execute SQL tab, and I'm going to type this command, select all from item, and I'm going to execute this. Now you see that in first row, in these three columns, at item name, units and price, we have a null value. Is it possible to deal in some way with this null value? Well, of course it is. Let me show you how to do that. Remove this, and let's say I would like to select, for example, item name, but item name is null, and I would like to process this with function if null. So first parameter is going to be our column, and second is going to be what value to provide in case that value inside this cell it's null. I would say no name, and now let's say units, and third column that we are going to select is going to be if null and price, and if null value is detected, I want to print this price 0. And now I'm going to execute this code. As you see, we have no name in first column, we have null in units column because we did not treated this second column, and in third column we have this price 0. So what function if null actually does? It is going to check for null values, and if finds null value, it's going to replace that with this second argument you have provided. And just in order to make things more pretty, I am going to use this as a keyword. And now I'm going to change this mess if null in column name with name and price. So that's all for now, guys. See ya.